Well, dear friends, we've looked at the 490 years. But this prophecy is a prophecy of 2,300 years. So there's a time period left. 1,810 years remain that now needs to be added to conclude this prophecy. So what happens now? And that will be part of our next presentation. There's the Wailing Wall where the Jews gather every day. Now this part of the prophecy we've handled today. But the second part, which deals with the Gentiles, that is still a part that we need to look at. May the Lord bless us as we go along, and may we again think of this verse. And we have also a more sure word of prophecy, whereunto you do well that you take heed, as to a light that shines in a dark place, until the day dawn and the day star arise in your hearts. May it be that the day star has already risen in some heart, listening or viewing this presentation. May God be with us.